stop scrolling, because what I'm about to share might be the most important video you watch today. The brand new The Deer is Hurt update for 99 Nights in the Forest has officially dropped, and it brings a fresh batch of exclusive working codes that can give you free diamonds, rare boosts, and powerful rewards most players still have no idea about. These codes are active right now for November 2025, but they won't last forever. Once they expire, the rewards are gone permanently, and so make sure you watch until the very end to secure every single code before time runs out. Before we dive in, here's something exciting. I'm hosting a special giveaway where you can win free classes, bonus diamonds, and even rare candy inside the game. Joining is simple. Like the video, subscribe with notifications on, drop your Roblox username in the comments. Winners are selected randomly, but being active on the channel gives you a higher chance. Now listen carefully. Do not skip ahead. Each code will appear on screen for only a few seconds. If you miss it, it's gone. And if you stay until the end, you'll catch a secret bonus code hidden only for real viewers. Here's how to redeem your codes inside 99 Nights in the Forest. Open the game, tap the gem icon, select Codes, type each code exactly as shown. Codes are case sensitive, so double check every letter before submitting. If a code fails, don't panic. Some codes activate slowly or only work on certain servers. Just continue with the next one. Plenty of rewards are still waiting for you. Remember, staying subscribed with notifications on means you'll be the very first to know whenever new updates and hidden reward events release. And don't forget, the giveaway is still open. Make sure to comment your Roblox username after watching so you don't miss your chance to win diamonds, classes, and exclusive items. Alright, time for the part you came here for. Here are the latest working codes for November 2025, freshly released with the Deer is Hurt update in 99 Nights in the Forest. These new codes will give you free diamonds, rare boosts, and powerful items that can dramatically improve your gameplay. If a code doesn't activate instantly, try switching servers or entering it again. New codes sometimes take a few minutes to go live. Be patient and keep watching, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal one secret bonus code you won't find anywhere else. Let's jump right in and test all the newest working codes from the Deer is Hurt update in 99 Nights in the Forest.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me